A client handed me his phone and requested me to repair his charging system. This is how it looks like, and in this video I'm going to take you throughout the process of replacing its charging system. Before going any further, I had to test it myself to find out that it is really not working. This is my power bank and the phone is not really charging. So I pulled out the charging cable to start the repairing process. So I quickly removed the phone jacket, followed by the phone back cover. But before removing the phone back cover, always remove the line slot first. After that, the inside back side of the phone is exposed. Always concentrate on the downer part because it is where the charging flex is located. So I unscrewed all the necessary screws and then removed its flex. So the only thing here I'm supposed to do is to replace the charging port. That silver thing there is the charging port. Since I don't have a workstation, I used my soldering gun and the soldering wire. I applied enough soldering wire to weaken the grip of the charging port. After that, the old charging port drops off easily. I added some new soldering wire to the flex so that the new charging port sits well. So I got a new charging port and placed it on the flex. Now I added solder wire so that it grips onto the flex. After that, I need to make sure that the contact points also grips well onto the flex. So next part, I added some soldering paste onto the contact points. After that, I heated the part with the soldering gun and everything was doing itself automatically. Next, it was time to test the flex whether the charging port is working. So I connected back the old flex onto the phone and then connected it into the power bank. As you can see, the phone that was not charging is now charging. After that, the next step is to close the downer part. I brought back the small plastic casing and placed it where it is supposed to be. Then I brought back my screwdriver and placed all the screws that are supposed to be there. After that, I placed back the back cover, followed by the SIM tray including its lines. Now I tested the phone one more last time and it is charging well, which means that the problem has been solved. And the next thing I'm waiting is to get paid. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.